Work for this patient around the eyes and the nose. We've removed what was originally thought to be hemangioma, but on histopathological examination it's come out as lymphangioma. We're going to show you how she looked earlier, but let's take out this splint. Slight is there. So you see the issues were around this area and around here as well. So we've got a large incision and excision of the lesion from there to tighten it. And you can see the nose, it was very like the dorsum was not existing. So we've corrected that, we've removed the tumor, we've created this depression. We've done work on the upper eyelid, and so there's still a lot of edema. This is just a few days after surgery, so it's gonna improve with time. We're gonna take off the splints today, and we're gonna apply the we're gonna take off the sutures and apply the splints again. எப்படி இருக்கு? பரவாயில்ல. சரி, ரொம்ப டிஃபிகல்ட்டு. பார்ப்போம், கொஞ்சம் நாளையில் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் வரும். இன்னும் வீக்கெல்லாம் வற்றும். Coming in. But that's, you don't have the picture there. Yeah. நல்லா வற்றும், இன்னும் ரொம்ப வற்றணும் வீக்கம். சொன்ன மாதிரி பார்த்தீங்களா, அவங்க நோஸு அந்த க்ரூவு எல்லாமே வந்திருக்கு. வெயிட் பண்ணுவோம், 6 months 4 months நீங்கள் வெயிட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா நல்லா இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு. சரியா? இந்த மாதிரி once we take off the sutures, you know, we have to put one thing. This is yeah, this is also fine. You gotta make sure it goes in.